We're going to practice writing rates as a decimal because it's important to have the accurate rate in your problem when you're trying to calculate the amount of money or the amount of anything really that you're going to end up with. You need to be accurate. So when you're finding the rate given a percentage is always out of 100. So if you were given 37.8%, that's out of 100. So you take 37.8, divide it by 100, and you get 0.378. Whenever you divide anything by 100, because 100 is two place values, is 10 times 10, really all you're doing is taking that decimal and moving it to places. So whether you know to move it to places to the left or just divide by 100, that's going to be the value that you actually use as your rate in your formula. You don't want to do 37.8 because that would really be 3,700.8%. So 12%. 12%, you can either know that dividing it by 2 is going to put it right there, or if you took 12 in your calculator and divided it by 100, you are always more than welcome to do that just to double check yourself, but it also gives you 0.12. So 7.3, 1, 2 spots, so that would be 0.073. So your rate would equal 0.073. 72% would be 0.72. 0.5%, so less than 1%. Still going to move that decimal 2 spots, so it would be 0.005. 9%, 1, 2, 0.09, so your rate would equal 0.09. 1.7% would be 0.017. 12.5, 0.125. 32.1, 0.321. Again, you can always double check. So if you took 32.1%, you're like, oh, what is that as a decimal that I would want to use in my equation? 32.1 divided by 100, 0.321. That is the rate you would use in your equation. So really, anything less than 10% is going to be 0.0 something. So like 9% was 0.09. 1.7% was 0.017. Anything less than 10 is going to have a 0 in the front. So like 12% was greater than 10, so it was 0.12. But you're really just moving that decimal place 2 place values to the left or dividing by 100 to get the accurate rate to use in your equation.